Specialization Artificial Intelligence. The specialty of artificial intelligence is one of the modern disciplines that emerged in the last century. That is, it is a relatively recent specialization, but it has made great achievements in many areas of life, as it has become expected that those machines that rely on artificial intelligence will be it has the ability to do all human work with high accuracy. Thus, students of this major will develop analytical skills and logical thinking skills, and they will keep pace with all technological developments, in addition to the good professional future that awaits them after their graduation. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the characteristics of advanced computer software and hardware and the ability of a computer to simulate the human mind, work on deducing various problems, and finding appropriate solutions based on past experiences. This specialty has appeared recently, specifically in the 20th century, as we have already mentioned, where it has been very popular among all disciplines. This is because it carries with it a lot of technological achievements and developments, and focuses on the use of modern technologies. This specialization has been defined by many definitions, but they all refer to one idea, which is artificial intelligence, and among those common definitions are the following. The science and engineering of making intelligent machines. The ability of this system to analyze data in a correct, direct and logical manner and work to achieve certain goals. What are computer science majors? The specialization in artificial intelligence is one of the branches of computer science, which aims at the emergence and development of the field of artificial intelligence. Information systems security confidentiality computer applications. Design and visual communication mobile computing programming. Artificial intelligence. Computer information system. How long does it take to study artificial intelligence? It takes 3 years to study this major and obtain a bachelor's degree, up to 5 years, as this is determined based on the number of hours and semesters the student registers during the academic year. What is the importance of studying artificial intelligence? Develop basic skills and logical thinking. It helps in gaining experience and life experiences to solve professional, personal and other problems. Enhancing competences, developing skills and expertise in the field of computers, and extracting important information and data. Graduates of this major are awarded a scientific certificate that helps open new practical horizons. Keeping pace with the tremendous technological development and following up on advanced modern technologies, this specialization is one of the most rapidly growing specializations. This specialization aims to develop all aspects of the country and the prosperity of its civilization. Grant scientific knowledge and gain professional experience in many fields such as physics, robotics and mathematics. Grant experience in analyzing available data and inferring future information. Granting many job opportunities in the largest international companies and industrial establishments, which enjoy high wages. What is the future of artificial intelligence? In contrast to the basic stages of education, the university education stage is a preliminary step before starting the field in working life and entering the labor market. Therefore, it is necessary to focus on the study disciplines that are in high demand in the labor market, to facilitate access to good job opportunities after graduation. That is, a brilliant scientific future and endless job opportunities await a student of artificial intelligence in the future, and the fields and functions of this specialization are numerous, which we will discuss with you in detail below, to clarify the future of this specialization for all those who wish to study it. What are the areas of artificial intelligence? The labor market and its requirements are among the controlling factors, mainly in the increase in the demand for a specialization or its stagnation, and in the era of speed and technology that is accompanying this century, the growing demand for technological specialties is very natural. The world has become like a small village that communicates thanks to technology, which made a specialty like artificial intelligence is one of the basic disciplines that is in high demand year after year in the labor market. It is expected that technological disciplines will fully control the labor market in the near future, and many educational institutions and universities have already begun to focus on teaching artificial intelligence to graduate cadres and competencies in this specialty. And as for the areas of artificial intelligence, they are numerous. Students are waiting for many sectors and fields to work after graduation. For example, the following fields: Work in programming companies and many sectors. Great opportunities to work in educational institutions such as schools and universities. Work in research centers and libraries. Joining industrial enterprises. Work in professional organizations. Strong presence in technical institutions. What are the functions of artificial intelligence? Work in the field of data analysis. Work in a field of machine learning. Work in the educational system, whether schools or universities. Work in one of the advanced research and scientific centers. Supervising computer and robotics work. What are the salaries for artificial intelligence? An impressive practical and material future awaits a study specializing in artificial intelligence, not only in the availability of many local and global job opportunities, but also in the availability of these opportunities for a very rewarding financial return, due to its importance in the business world and the increased demand for it in many areas. According to several statistics about the salaries of artificial intelligence engineers, which varied according to the status and experience of the worker, it was found that the salary of a junior artificial intelligence (AI) engineer is $124,542 annually, while the average salary of those with medium experience in the field is about $171,715 annually. The salary of an expert is $257,530 annually. What is the data authority and artificial intelligence? We cannot talk about artificial intelligence without referring to the Data Authority and Artificial Intelligence, which has its origins in Saudi Arabia, as it was established by a royal decree on the 30th of August, 2019, and is known as SDAYA Data Strategy and Specialized Cadres in the field of data within Saudi Arabia. Work in the Data and Artificial Intelligence Authority is carried out under the direct supervision of the Saudi Prime Minister, and the authority is headed by the Deputy Prime Minister, and it is mainly attached to the National Center for Artificial Intelligence and the National Data Management Office, in addition to National Information Center. Despite the fact that the authority was newly established, it was able to accomplish many projects and became a source of everyone's talk after its resounding success in running the first virtual summit of the Group of 20 in a record time of less than a week. The authority also succeeded in establishing a secure visual communication system for a number of government agencies to hold its meetings remotely. It was also able to integrate and consolidate more than 80 government datasets. Examples of artificial intelligence. We have examples of artificial intelligence that succeeded in fascinating the world and surprising many with the multiple tasks that these examples succeeded in implementing. And here are the most famous examples of artificial intelligence: Robot and Camaro, which is considered one of the most prominent examples of artificial intelligence that the world has witnessed recently, and its origin is due to the Mitsubishi company of Japanese origin. The robot and the Camaro have many distinctive characteristics such as the ability to greet people, in addition to the skill of speaking, changing voices and moving limited between male and female voices, and has the ability to recognize speech. Android Asimo, the second model of artificial intelligence, is attributed to the famous robot Asimo, which was manufactured by the laboratories of Honda Corporation. The main objective of its manufacture is to achieve technical development in Japan. What are the best universities to study artificial intelligence? 1. James Madison University USA. 2. Western Washington University USA. 3. Robert Gordon University UK. 4. Curtin University Australia. 5. Multimedia University Malaysia. How much does it cost to study artificial intelligence? The cost of studying the artificial intelligence specialization is one of the important points that every student is keen to be aware of before studying to see its compatibility with the student's physical condition. The cost of studying the artificial intelligence specialization varies according to several factors, including the following: the country selected for study and the standard of living in it. The type of university to attend, as the cost varies between public universities and private universities. Academic degree, due to the difference in cost in bachelor's degrees and postgraduate degrees, whether master's or doctorate. Study duration, number of hours and semesters. In the following table, we can identify the cost of studying artificial intelligence in British and American universities. Country degree costs: Britain BSc ranging between £35,000 and £40,000, America BSc $45,121 US in the end. We have talked about all aspects that revolve around the specialization of artificial intelligence, and all the questions that a lot of people have about this field have been answered.